playing popular roles is not easy. You can be an actress or an actor doing your own thing, a story. But historical characters, because they've been superstars themselves, and you trying to superimpose yourself on top of them and come out impressive is not easy.
हमारा सौभाग्य है कि सदगुरु हमारे यहाँ आए और आई थिंक कंगना ने ये फिल्म बहुत कमाल का काम किया है.
When I was completely disoriented and I had no idea, I was stuck with my art. Sadhguruji has guided me.
Very complex subject, but presented fantastic. For the scape of things that are there, to crush it into 2.5 hours is not an easy thing to do. And when it comes to historical events like this, 50 years, we can consider it history now. There's no need for us to sit here and judge whether it was right or wrong. The question is only, as a nation, do we learn from what happens to us, or do we repeat the same mistakes? That's a question. So in that sense, I think for the younger generation, it's very important, those of them who were not here at that time. I was in university and it was a big thing. Emergency was such a big impact on us. But for the younger generation, I think a movie like this is very important, because how many people will really sit down and read history in 2.5 hours? You know the major events that happened and shaped nation in many ways. Sitting here and judging positive, negative is not needed. As a movie, it's spectacularly presented. Both of them done a wonderful job, because playing popular roles is not easy. You can be an actress or an actor doing your own thing, a story. But historical characters, because they've been superstars themselves, and you trying to superimpose yourself on top of them and come out impressive is not easy, and both of them have done fantastic that way.
हमारे यहाँ आए और आई थिंक कंगना ने ये फिल्म बहुत कमाल का काम किया है. कंगना ने इसमें निर्देशन दिया है, परफॉर्मेंस दी है. इट्स वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट परफॉर्मेंसेस दैट आई हैव सीन.
Feel that I was blessed with such a great team. I had the best crew, internationally and nationally. I had the best people to work for the film. How many Academy Award winning people we had, how many National Award winning people we had, I lost count. There were just so many of them. So even if I can't make film with so many resources, then what's the point? So I'm very happy that I had a great team.
We are just very happy that Sadhguruji could make it.
Yeah.
From Kumbh se aaye hain, from his busy schedule, he gave us time, and it's all his grace. I have been his disciple, and I know when I was completely disoriented and I had no idea, I was stuck with my art. Sadhguruji has guided me. I don't know if he wants to take onus of that, but I think I've been very blessed, and we are very blessed that we have guidance and guiding light like Sadhguruji. We're very, very happy that we have this.